the Liberty Walk Autozam, unveiled at the Tokyo Auto Salon, is a unique and eye-catching creation. It is essentially a modified version of the Autozam AZ-1, a small K-car originally produced by Mazda. What makes this particular Autozam stand out is its transformation into a miniature version of the iconic Ferrari F40. Liberty Walk, known for their bold and extravagant body kits, has applied their distinctive touch to this tiny car, giving it an aggressive and sporty look reminiscent of the much larger and more powerful Ferrari F40. The car features the F40's signature large rear wing and similar body lines, albeit on a much smaller scale. This blend of a classic K car with the styling cues of one of the most famous supercars in the world created a significant buzz at the Tokyo Auto Salon. It's a perfect example of Liberty Walk's philosophy of pushing the boundaries of car customization, combining nostalgia with modern design in a truly unique way. The result is a car that turns heads and stirs conversation, embodying the spirit of automotive enthusiasm and creative expression.